Alright, hey, what's up guys? I do hope you're all having a great day, and in today's video we are continuing on with the maintenance of the F-150. In today's video in particular we'll be removing and cleaning the K&N air filter that's on the air intake of the truck. Since the time that I've owned the truck in the last 4.5 years or so, we haven't cleaned it, and prior to that I don't know if the previous owners had cleaned it ever. So to do that, went out to Canadian Tire and recently purchased the K&N air filter cleaning kit. It comes with a cleaning spray and with a can of their aerosol red oil for the air filter. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to it. Alright, this was about $22 the Canadian at Canadian Tire. It comes with the air filter cleaner and the air filter oil. As you guys can see, the engine bay is pretty dirty, and it's been a few years since it's been last changed or cleaned. And in the time that I've owned it, we haven't cleaned it once. So this is pretty much a good thing to do. So first thing we have to do is remove the clamp and remove the filter. So we're going to do that first. One thing I'm going to do is take a microfiber and to cover up the hole so no dirt or debris gets inside while the air filter is out. Now we have the dirty air filter out. It's pretty nasty. Let's get the light for a closer look. Some bird feathers or whatever. If you want a bird hit the grill, we had to change the grill afterwards. Alright, so the first thing you want to do before you do anything else with this is put on a pair of nitrile gloves or some sort of protection for your hands, as you are dealing with the chemicals. So there's that. So inside the box you have the cleaning spray and the aerosol can of the red oil. With this you should be able to clean and oil your air filter a couple of times, 4, 5, 10 times, which will easily pay for itself for $22 instead of replacing the filter every time for about $60 or so. I'm not really sure how much they cost. The last time I checked in Canadian Tire, the filter was $60. So cleaning it by this 4 or 5 times, you save yourself a ton of money. Alright, so now as the instructions say, I'm going to take the filter, I'm going to take the spray and just spray evenly across the entire filter. This will break up any dirt and debris built up in the filter. Now that it's been sprayed on all sides, we now just go give it a rinse. Alright, so now that we got the filter all rinsed up, we just keep it in the sunlight to dry up naturally. So in a couple hours we'll come back and we'll apply the oil, then put it back inside the truck. Alright, so it's now been about a day since we've had this out here to dry off, and now I'm just gonna use the spray, put it over the filter and then put this back on the truck. And once you're done, just to put this back on the truck. Now that you have it back on, you should be good to go. Just start up your truck, and this is a good thing to do every now and again to just keep up the maintenance of your F-150. That is pretty much the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope that helped you out in some way, shape, or form. If you did enjoy it, consider hitting the like button down below and subscribing, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen.